Welcome to the OTR Heavy Duty Sales presentation. The OTR water pump line is available for domestic, European, and import applications. Selling points. All products are 100% new, not remanufactured. There are no messy core returns, core charges, or core handling requirements. 90% of our water pumps are assembled in the USA. OEM quality components used in the assembly of all water pumps and products. All products go through rigorous quality checks and are 100% tested prior to shipment. Our water pump product coverage is the most comprehensive in the aftermarket. Applications available for all major diesel engine brands. Water pumps are manufactured and distributed from an ISO certified facility. Gaskets and all installation accessories are included with every water pump. Heavy-duty water pumps are engineered to meet or exceed their original heavy-duty equipment specifications. Our advanced research has allowed us to implement the latest technology in every component, keeping performance and longevity as our #1 priority. Available for classes 5, 6, 7, and 8. Features include leak and hub pull tested, unitized seal, OE design bearings, high-quality mounting gasket and accessories, and OE aspect for proper fit, form, and function. Materials and components that deliver high quality in every water pump. Here you can see an illustration of a water pump and all of its components. All of our heavy-duty water pumps are made from these high-quality materials. Please watch the assembly of one of our heavy-duty water pumps. Every HD water pump housing has precision CNC machine surfaces. This feature ensures there is no leaking and guarantees a perfect fit with mating components. A high-quality oil seal is used on this particular water pump. The oil seal prevents outside materials or debris from entering the water pump. Here, high-quality OEM-specified bearings are being pressed into the water pump housing. Bearings allow for the smooth rotation of the water pump shaft, which turns the impeller and moves coolant throughout the cooling system. Loctite is used throughout the assembly to ensure longevity of the assembly. Here the bearing retainer is being assembled to the housing. Every water pump uses the OEM specified bearing type to ensure long bearing and water pump life. The water pump bearing allows the water pump to rotate. The bearing shaft rotates in the center of the bearing case. These shafts are case hardened and precision CNC machined. These features ensure the pump can handle a high load capacity and can withstand an imbalance or vibration in the cooling system. A high quality seal is installed on every water pump. The water seal performs a critical function by keeping coolant away from the bearing. Every water pump uses a precision manufactured metal impeller, either cast iron or stamped steel. A metal impeller is able to withstand high temperatures and chemicals used in the cooling system. Metal impellers are durable and perform very well at high engine RPMs and will not deform, crack, or break under stress. This pump is a gear-driven pump. Each gear is manufactured to precise tolerances to ensure proper pump performance and longevity. Work instructions are located in the assembly cell to ensure consistent assembly. After pump assembly, each pump is measured to ensure proper fit, form, and function. 100% of OTR water pumps are leak tested prior to shipment. This pump is being tested on both the water seal and oil seal sides of the assembly. Before packaging and shipping, there are 2 final checks. The water pump is checked for impeller clearance by attaching the OEM cover plate and rotating the water pump. Then a gauge is used to verify proper mounting bolt hole location and alignment. HD water pumps meet or exceed the OEM water pump with several improvements over the OEM pump. Check out this comparison between a disassembled pump and a competitor pump. Appearance. Although both pumps are designed to look like the OE pump, we found the competitor water pump body to have a few porosity issues as seen here. Bearings. All bearings are sourced from name brand manufacturers, not generic imports. In this pump we use an NTN bearing that meets all OE bearing specifications. Although this bearing will be lubricated with oil, all bearings are pre-packed with grease during the assembly process. The competitor bearing shown here is clearly a different design than the OE bearing. A generic import bearing was used. More so, upon disassembly of the pump, we found the bearings to be completely dry and free of any grease to lube them during startup. Main shaft. The HD pump main shaft is fully machined and hardened to the OE specs, and we use the exact same OE gear mounting design. The competitor has gone with a different gear mounting configuration. Metal impeller. We pride ourselves in using metal impellers for all HD applications. In this example, you will see this competitor pump also uses a metal impeller, but take note of the weld differences between ours and the competitor. Our plates are slotted for easy and secure weld locations. Seals. Like other source items in this pump, we only use quality name brand seals for all our pumps. Oil seal. We use the OE specified double lip design. Our competitor is using a low quality spring type seal that does not meet the OE standards. Water seal. Looking here at the water seal, again, the competitor is using a low quality generic seal. Compared to ours, that matches the quality of the OE design. Added benefits. HD pumps also include the necessary plugs pre-installed with thread sealant for an easier, leak-free installation. From the design and development stages, each water pump is thoroughly measured, inspected, and tested to ensure a proper fit and function 100% of the time. Individual components are measured and inspected prior to assembly. Measurements are recorded for future reference if required. First article inspections take place to ensure that the assembled water pump meets OTR specifications. Trace and date codes identify a production batch should there be issues that need to be corrected once product reaches the field. OTR utilizes cutting-edge technology in the design and development of all heavy-duty products. The latest 3D printing technology is used in product development and rapid prototyping. This technology is also used to develop gauges used to check critical features of our heavy-duty water pumps. OTR offers the most comprehensive range of heavy-duty water pumps, with all major engine makes represented. Thank you very much for your time. We hope you enjoyed this presentation.